Hi everyone, my name is Mario, and today I wanted to go over the process templates in Sablono. As you might know by now, the way we work is having lots of deliverables in a project, but each one of them is assigned a process template. This process template is basically the repetitive set of tasks that are required by each unit to be completed. In this case, in this page, we can see that we have about 10 deliverables and each one of them is assigned a process template here. We have two different types, the first one being fence installation and the second one house type 1. If you want to know how these process templates are made out of, you can click on each deliverable and you will see that this one, house type 1, it has two steps, two activities, let's say. First one is walls painted, the second one install doors. Each one of them has an estimated duration, and the combination of each individual duration makes up for the scheduling of these activities. The second one, the fence installation, has three activities with, again, with their particular duration assigned to them. If you want to modify process template or create one, what you'll do is go to the process template page. Just be aware that you can only access this page if you had the adequate rights. All right, so moving on, we'll look into the house type 1 template, open editor. Here you'll see that this template requires a total of 16 hours to complete. And to look at it more in detail, we'll look at the first activity, paint walls. So paint walls, it has a completed state of walls painted. Furthermore, this activity has an estimated number of workers of 2. Duration is 1 working day. In this setting, we have 4 different ones. And basically, the days and hours will ignore any project or working hours constraint. We also have the team functionality. So this one, you can assign each individual team. In this case, we have a few. You can select the team that is responsible for completing this task. And if you cannot find it here, feel free to create a new one through this button right here. So what we're seeing on the bottom of this page is the relationship between the two activities. So we see out of the two, the paint walls is a predecessor of the door installation one. And this is simply by adding the information in this field. We'll look at the other process template right now, fence installation. So again, you can see 3 different activities. You can see the relationship here, the 1, 2, and 3. If you wanted to add one more activity, you'll go into this line right here and you create, let's say, perform quality check. We already have a previous one before, so I'll click on it, creating a new activity. I will assign a predecessor to it, so I'll make this one the last activity of the template. So I'll click on predecessor, and painting the fence is the last one at the moment. So I'll make this one go last. I will say that it takes 1 worker here. It takes just half a day, working day, and I will make this the quality control team. After making the changes, what I have to do is save and assign by clicking on the two arrows here. This will update all the deliverables that had these template assigned. So we'll just take a second. So this, I'm gonna go fence installation just to show you guys. And here you can see we have the one additional step with half a working day. Perform quality check. Okay, great. Last thing I wanted to show was if you already had previous projects and you would like to import an existing template, we have these button right here, copy existing template, and it will pull up this window and you can type some of the words from the previously created template. After selecting, it already tells me that it has 11 activities. Go create. Process template successfully copied. We'll just take a second and it brings me right here. So here I can see that I was able to import a copy of the adjoining room template. Same thing here, I can use it now. We have groups in this case. The groups are created by adding here the name. So electrical work. And that's how I create a group. So now I have this available template for me to use in my project. That's it for today, and I hope that was clear. If not, please feel free to let us know, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, have a great day.